How to fix Slack app not working. Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your Slack application not working on your iPhone. So if your Slack application does not work, make sure you stay till the end of this video and try out all the steps to find out if you can fix it. So first thing we can do is we are actually not going to open the application itself. First thing we want to do is go to your App Store, search for Slack. So we want to make sure that we are running the latest version of our Slack. So as you can see, there's the blue button that says update. You just want to click that button and it will update your application to the latest version. So if that doesn't work out, go back. We can go into our settings, scroll down a bit, click general, click iPhone storage, scroll down a bit until you find Slack. Here it is. And here you need to click this blue text that says offload app and click offload app again. What that will do is clear your cache memory from your Slack application and basically run it from zero cache memory. So if even that doesn't work, there is always an option to delete the application completely and download it again from the App Store fresh. So to do that, you just need to click and hold on your icon and click remove app and click the red text that says delete app, and then just go into App Store and download it again. So I hope one of these methods helps you. And that's it for today's quick tutorial. I hope you guys find this tutorial helpful, and if you do find it helpful, as always, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and goodbye.